Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unmute someone on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to unmute someone on your Snapchat account, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat. And after opening up your Snapchat, now what you can do is just simply tap on this chat icon which is on the bottom of your screen. So just tap on it and that will take you to your chats, and from here you just have to select a person that you would like to unmute, or if that person is muted, just simply select it. And what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on to their profile. So after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is chat and notification settings. After tapping on chat and notification settings, now in the bottom of your screen you should find this option which is notification settings. Just tap on it. After tapping on notification settings, now you have to check if this option is turned on, which is mute chats. So if your mute chats is turned on, what you can do is just simply turn it off, and that will unmute the chat which was muted. So that's it guys, this is how to unmute someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.